Hi, I'm Hillary Johnson, and welcome to Flashback, where we take a look at local stories from years gone by. Today we go back to September 3rd, 2013, when a bizarre noise caused some speculation around Terrace.
Those chilling noises were the sounds that have been the source of much speculation around Terrace for the past several days. They echoed across the city for about 10 minutes last Thursday morning, and that's when Kimberly Wookie took the videos, which have sparked interest all across the province.
It's getting quite viral right now. I think it's got about 43,000 hits on YouTube right now, and my original Facebook post with the first video, it's got about 1,800 shares. So it's making its way around the internet.
Representatives from the city of Terrace explained that the noise that was heard around the city was the sound of a grader's blades being straightened, which is what created that grinding, winding noise that was heard. However, speaking with a professor from UBC, he says that there could be another explanation.
The sounds are probably geophysical in origin, where geo is referring to the earth. So talking about stresses relieved in the earth itself, in the rocks, that would create low-pitched sounds, usually below the range of human hearing, but sometimes in the range where you can hear it. Normally those kinds of releases of stress are associated with earthquakes, but there may be circumstances where it just makes very, very creepy, low-pitched noises like those recorded in Terrace.
The city does maintain that the noises can be traced back to the grader. They currently have no plans to replicate the sound because of the cost associated with it, but they did say that next time a grader's straightened, they will be paying close attention to the sounds it makes. For CFTK TV News in Terrace, I'm Allison Bench.